I'm doing a bike check and a Hoffman. And show you all my parts. I got an Eastern rim and hub. Got a KMC chain, some Mongoose pedals, a Mongoose 3-piece, an Eastern sprocket.
23 tooth.
Yeah, 23 tooth. And this used to be on that bike, this 3-piece. It's a
Black Label?
Yeah, Black Label 3-piece. It used to be on there. But I sold it to him. And I got a front salt rim semi-sealed. I got Redline forks, Hoffman bars, and shitty GT stem, and some shitty Odyssey grips that I tore up.
Odyssey seat.
And I got, yeah, an Odyssey seat, and that's it.